What up? Are you ready for the best idea ever? Do you have muscles? Want even more muscles? Well, guess what? We've got a great idea for you. Fight Milk, the first alcoholic dairy-based protein drink made by Bodyguards for Bodyguards. A recipe on how to make it.
First of all, separate 4 eggs. Pour 2 pints of whole milk into a large mixing bowl. Whisk egg whites to soft peaks. Add the 4 egg yolks to the milk. Mix in the eggs. Fold in the egg whites. Add the vodka. Lastly, add the whey protein.
I drink it every morning so I can fight like a crow. Made fresh by Bodyguards. And me, watch your muscles grow just like a crow's. Ah!
Fight Milk, a big old glass of deliciousness.